My name is Tyler Muzzin. I'm a MFA candidate at the University of Lethbridge in the art department. My area is mostly interested in the photographic depictions of physical spaces and how those depictions work their way into popular ideologies and how these depictions can be problematic and how they can be looked at from fresh angles. The main reason I got into art was that I was noticing this disparity between the world I was seeing and the world as it was often represented. So I thought that artists can propose alternative representations that can break up the more interested representations that we see in popular culture. So I started looking into master's programs and I saw an ad for the University of Lethbridge. I contacted the schools that I was interested in, and Mary was the only one who contacted me personally, and she was interested in my work. She looked at my website and we had a 45-minute conversation. She told me about her research practice. She was interested in hiring a research assistant. After a few more correspondences, I decided that this would be the place that would be best for me as a student and as an artist. To work with someone who can also write, research, organize people, I wanted to work with someone who could kind of delve into all these facets of contemporary art, which today is more than just medium specificity. It's about travel, research, thinking of globalized conversations, and trying to tie them together within an already existing discipline of art. Within 6 weeks of being in Lethbridge, I was heading down with Mary to New Mexico to the White Sands Missile Range to be a second camera operator on her Trinity project, which I think was a special opportunity comparing to what other grad assistants might be doing at schools where their cohorts are up to 60 students.